What's for dinner?
Shalom, sir. Dinner is served.
What's for dinner? Yeah. What's for dinner?
God bless me with you.
Yeah. Sister Jemima, I see you. I do. Israel calling. I can smell it.
All praises to the Most High. Shalom, sisters of Israel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon raisin walnut unleavened bread. So let's get started. You're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour or whatever kind of flour you like. Then you're going to need 1 cup of organic raisins. 1 cup of crushed walnuts. 3 tablespoons of organic cinnamon. 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. You're going to need 9 tablespoons of water. Then you're going to need a 1/2 cup to 2/3 cup of olive oil or grapeseed oil. Now you're going to need 2/3 cup of Manuka honey. So anywhere between 2/3 cup and 1 cup of Manuka honey. Now you're going to need 2 tablespoons of almond milk. That's roughly 1/4 cup. And you're going to mix everything together now. Make sure you try to mix it up really thoroughly. In this recipe, you don't need any cane sugar, any other sweeteners. And honey is a much healthier sweetener than sugar because of its low glycemic effects. Now you're going to oil your pan, whatever kind of baking pan you have, and you want to set the oven on 350 and bake it for 40 minutes or so. So now your batter's ready, so you want to put that inside the pan because you're going to bake it for roughly 35 to 45 minutes. And you want to make sure you move the batter around so it'll be nice and even when it's baking. If you find that the batter is a little too thick for you, you can always add a little more milk, like maybe 2 more tablespoons of milk, and that should do it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to bake it in the oven on 350. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So now I just took it out. I'm testing it to make sure it's ready. And when you stick a fork in it, you just want to make sure nothing comes out of it on either side of the fork. That tells you it's done. And it looks like it's done. And I cooked that for 40 minutes on 350. And that looks great. And this is called cinnamon raisin walnut unleavened bread. Good job.